Hi, today we are going to be showing you how to add a Hikvision camera to a Luminys NVR via ONVIF. Depending on the generation of Hikvision camera that you may have, ONVIF will sometimes be disabled, which you have to enable it to allow it to work with third-party systems. If you have a camera that is brand new, that will show inactive, which will require you to create a username and password. So once that's done, you'll be able to get to this step. You can use the Hikvision SADP tool to discover the camera and find its IP address. Once this has been pulled up, you can simply click on the IP address on the screen, and then that will pull up the login for the Hikvision camera. Once logged in with the username and password, the default admin username and password, you will wait for the page to load, and once it does, you'll go to Configuration, Network, Advanced Settings, and then Integration Protocol. Under here, you will want to make sure that that checkbox is enabled for ONVIF, and then down here, you will need to create a ONVIF user that is different than the admin login. So we are going to do that now. We're going to call this Hike Demo, create a password, which I would suggest that that password is the same that you've used for your other Luminys NVR and cameras. Make sure that we have administrator checked. Once that's done, hit OK. Hit save down here just to make sure that that's done. From there, you will then log into your Luminys recorder. Bring that over. So under the main page, we're going to go to Camera. Under Camera Registration, the top box will show cameras that are already plugged in to the recorder directly, if any are. Down here at the bottom, you will see cameras that are available to be added. This is the Hikvision camera that we were testing. We're going to check that box, and then we're going to hit Add in Batches. You'll scroll down, and it'll automatically add to the next available spot, which in this case is channel 5. We still need to change the username and password on here, so we're going to hit Edit. We're going to enter the ONVIF username and password that we created, which was Hike Demo. Enter the password. Hit OK down here. And then it may take a couple of times, but you can hit refresh a couple of times, and then eventually you'll see that light turn green, acknowledges that it's the Hikvision model and that it's added via ONVIF. Thank you and have a great day.